Blay Pibaro Shagatup Khubor Jangi Gadon Bosco Media Network. Kimat Bakong San Mentakas Ngi Kilong. Kat Banang Buon Kibami kat tanganang job ong uba HB Nong Se. Penlat Inspector General ke Presence uba MH Karkrang ye santali ki kali kit koidi. Inye ki ting e ke Meghalaya ASHA School Association nada ke sorkar kam snap ye ke jingdawa ke jongki. Bat pensa ken mau da ke kot ye ke jingwan yuk kejat ki solutions of Don Bosco ha Shillong. Bat mentangin pasya ki khubor bakam benya. Menteri Ketenat Water Resources uba HB Nong Seed mentakasngi uloong bagajingmi jengki kat tu kat ningut kirang ba na keseng United Democratic Party kanum kta ikjingjit nong mi kmat jong u. Uba Nong Seed la kren tikana de kabaong kibabon kibami na keseng bat kibarung ru kibon kumta de na kenikadaw ba jurem election.
Kano konstitusi ru don kibami don kibarung. Tengah ngasya mangne bagi tu khat sangut bagi ong ba kidai ki UDP ki jongi kito te kim dei khat sangut kibadai hok ki jongi yang tu kidai tang sangut ki UDP te ki me bat kito ki bami ru ki ba khamlong aktif ong tu kidai tang arngut laingut le te kilaja slem ba kilaja slem wadangi parti ru ngim datip pahatip kidang don ni kim don siu ban ngi kata tendai ke jingmi ke jongki laban ong kakta laban ong kakta te habami da don hi am jingta ndai ban ya compare ya ka arajar khat lai hadu arajar khat prale ubami na ka parti ke jonga ki nongkit kam kimi hadu saup hon rungut hau arajar khat pra saup hon rungut tang bahakat tu kapor kibami kidai rirong ba pakabat kim dakwa padeban lej penmi kot khubor rane ban ai YouTube ban lej ki batisi lane shanu kinum le tenre nga ngatip sai ba sao phon rungut kimi tenre arjar kapra nga kham tambun parban hau bo kimi sao phon rungut rengatam jan arajar e tementa ngila da besong menin ru ya ka estu komiti te ngila yo ru ya report na ki keleng jong kisnong kithau ki bakwa ban rung le ki babun ba ka parti UDP ke jongi menta te kan sadon ka por ya phi gine ru ngin sapen i ba kan no spa kan no phongut ki riurong ba kinwan rung sa UDP ngimpat kwa menta ban kren sa khamat namar ba ka parti ke jongi ru hapo motarsan menta ka bamut ki babun ki briu ki pej parman ba detang ka UDP menta ka regional party kabala ban ai jing sakri ya ka state na nang ne sakmat regional party ngamar kumolong menta hapo ka motarsan gujongi ka SSP kadai ka regional party kabala khamhe bro sikata bat ka jing ya le hapo motarsan jungi ka dei bat ka SSP tega SSP menta kala dapai arlian ikong biolin ibadai i kandidat jong ka SSP itu ilami no ila lej bania le naka NPP te lawan mi pli da i ba chakliar war na umdai utrai konstitusi te umut ban wan yele apo motarsan jungi te kibriu jungi na po ka SSP ong ya ubriu ku bomdei utraja ka trai muluk kumdongin siwele ya kersan mo andala job ru seengin ya kendu yu mo hanrei ladangi kersan ya ikong biolin ru ngim kwa namar ki kasi jungi pa motarsan ni ong ke NPP ke parti karo kumba ong karo ya parti UDP jungi pede bong khasia parti kijo gujing sengau mo waro wong khasia parti kasi jengi wong karo parti te hapo motarsan kene NPP kampat rung te ka SSP pada hakajing pai no jong ikong biolin wan banabar konstitusi te ka konstitusi jungi te kam itu yo banabar ubi ustad utem kan gonoru ai ba unsari do utraja ka tremulu kata ka de jing sngau jong pai ba hapo motarsan jungi te hangki menta ban ong ba kata ka jingmi ke jong kita ho mi kan sadar ka por pada ngi sa permi kan no phungut pada ki barung kin bun ki barung ya ki bami
Uhe pulit bedai pet iki kambindi Inspector General of Prisons uba MH Kharkrang mentakasngi ulaplat pat ba iki santli ki kali ban kit iki koidi ki badang non hapeding kejing sya tian bishar namar ki kambaman bekilale. Ye kini kejing pelat pat ba iki ni ki kali la sakilang da Superintendent of Police ke East Khasi District uba S Nongtengyer Superintendent of Police City uba Vivek Aim ki nong trejong katanat prison but ki officer pulit. Ye kini ki kali in sa IT Shiki District Police but Shaki Sub-Divisional Police khnang bikin dubiyo pendan kam no kam ploy.
TP vans. This is just one part of it, but I just want to share with you some of the steps that we have taken towards police prisons reforms. One of the things that we have done is that we want to change the approach of the prisons department towards the inmates. So now we are trying to reform that and make it a more human approach. So first of all, what we have done is we have set up our motto of the prisons department as changing life through corrective steps or corrective measures. And the second thing is that we have initiated this skill development, and this is with the support of the Meghalaya State Skill Development Society. And they will be starting off with Shillong District Jail, where they will be teaching the inmates in various skills like soap making, tailoring, food processing, agriculture, computer training also. And this is not that has been imposed on the inmates, but we have asked them if they want to be trained in any of the skill development. So we will be willingly impart to them the training. And subsequently also we are also looking at placing them in various employment agencies, not after they have left the prisons. And the third thing that we have done is that we are tying up with this Indian Oil Corporation Limited. There's a program called this Parivartanam Prison to Pride, and we will be launching that probably in January 26, where various sports activities will be coaching will be given to all the inmates as per the discipline that they would like to be imparted. And a lot of them have come forward, and they said a lot of them they want to be imparted with the various coachings like carom board and football, volleyball, all these kind of things. Not so we are tying up this with this Indian Oil Corporation Limited. And the third thing is that, like what we have done is for any reformation, the first and foremost I feel is that the nomenclature of the department has to also change. So what we have done is we have written to the government to change the name of the prisons department from prisons department to prisons and correctional services. And hopefully government will be coming out with notification. As far as I know, the approval has been given, and shortly they will be coming out with the notification. And another thing that we have done is that now we will be imparting training to our warders and all, and especially because they are the ones who are interacting with the inmates on a daily basis. So we are imparting training to them on behavioral changes towards the inmates.
Hadin kejengeki jengkinoi kai ki bahap apo shatri jangka Meghalaya SSA School Association kebelas dang na doka apa arterik unok pra arjar arpuwe menta kesngi ke khat saw terik kulalengkot arjar arpuar da kawai kesur kila shimye karai ban penkut no ekalete campaign show Menteri Rangba Ka Jylla kabakila pensngau ye kejeng jongki Habakren Bekila Pathai Khubor Na Ka Jylla President Ka Meghalaya SSA School Association East Khasi District Unit Westlin R Kharkongor ulapen sngau balada ka sarkar kam lei halor ka jingdawa ka jangki kin sanang pen klanye ka jingi ki hakisngi ki panwan
ta kasi nakaliang na jungi kum ki noikai SSA ki prana po ka shatra jong hapu ka shitri jong ka Meghalaya Service Avian School SSA badaya po ka East Khasi Unit midon hangni menta ban pendap ya kani ka last mo ka badai ka leta kampanye ka banak leng kajungi kum ngalam labu tarik pat penkut no menta satrik jong Januari aja war te kani ka jing penkut kajungi kani ka program kajungi ki jungi leng ba kani ka leta kampanye kalau kut ta kasi kena kaleng kajungi kum ki noi kai ban po ka asyon hi prokuai po district unit ni laju ki ina ka por te kumbolong menta kani kalita kampanye kalau kut menta di kaya bang puak penong ba hoit wala kanai kalita kampanye kepala kut benta kalau kut benta Henry Laraja bana kalian kasukar kanumlak pensim kinu ki respon abai dia bukan kajing dawa kajing kumini kai ingin satang penlong susu ya kipram je ki bana ne sikmat dina kalian kajing kum kinu alam jong ka kalian school association for district ni sobon ai kublai ya barok ki nong hikai kibale snok tilang kaji jungi leng ba kani kalita campaign kabala sedang naduk arpoi trik yung Disember arpoi pangla pun kun nom takasngi inga kublai kat pang kinung ikai ba don po ka esk district unit kiba la ploy benisi mentalang baro kani kaji jungi ban pensngeu kaji jungi kun kini kai kabangi kendo leng ba kaji sya set ya kan katulok pejungi ti kuman menrap ang ne pada anak liang yung sarkar kam respon kalau kini ki jungi ki jungi ki bangila le mentah si nak liang jungi kum kinoi kai kin simpat aku ka senjam kaba kam tenge kalau ka jing kuman ka sarkar hoi tumbang tip nak liang ka sarkar akan sa penlong ya ka jing recommend ka jongka kalau ka jing dap san posnem ka jela nak liang ti nak liang jungi le se ngin la ban ong ba ka de ka tu pasngi ne kam de hen re se ngin pelong no ko kam jiki kham tam ban pensngau ki jing jungi kum gini kai SSA
kum shibenta ban rakhe ke jingdap shispas nem ke jingwan yuk jat ki reunion solutions of Don Bosco hanong ba Shillong henin kesngi ke khat lai teri ukala lengkot arjar arpuar lepelat ya ke kot belapin wandur di Father Jose Verica Cyril but Father Abraham M Anthony kebelai kerteng being solutions today. Ia kini ke kot la pelat pat ba di Father Provincial ke Shillong Province si Father Paul Ulingkot harengkat ke Jingadon Lang but Most Reverend Archbishop Victor Lingdo, Vicar General ke Shillong Archdiocese Father Richard Majau, Father Parish Priest ke Cathedral Parish Father Pascal Lingdo, ki Father ki brother na ke Jingaslok Reunion Solution Salvatorian but kiwe. Lesam ru mar kowe ke kopi jong kini kot economic khamat jong ke Jingaslok ngam beper ki balawan lang hakani kesngi.
To His Grace the Archbishop Victor Lindo. May I invite one from Meghalaya Parish, our Vicar General, Father Richard Mandha Majau. Yeah. The young Salesian brother came here, Brother Valeri. Into the disappointment of so many Miss Universe of Italy, he came here. So he has built our province. We want to honor Brother Valeri and all the brothers present here. The secret of remaining young and handsome, tell us. Father Alex, the superior of the Salvatorians, we thank the British government to send them away. because of which the Salesians came. Our operator representative, Kong Benita Marbanian Gidon. Oh, please, Ale. Then Valerian Pakma, past people representative, president, please.
Usketri ke hima sora uba BV Ramai mentakasngi ulai thuo bakathme jong khasi kedai nashatei lammi ngi jong kedeu ba Asia. Habakren ki nong thok kot Khubor balat pathai Khubor Shillong Press Club uba Ramai ulai thuo bakawai ni ki jaka bo khasi ulashong lasa khatdu shabun poi shikini kilom khasi janta kalong hakajat jong kilom makashang. Uni rangba ulabatai shu dakabaong.
Cingajai. Jongi syakasi dan ngadoi tai kwa dia adin ba cai beliau jongi kasa ya tma ha kita ki nyujok tma ka baki om ki hindo respon ki bai penluar ini pan keren dak den ki ka badi ka den kagri di yes ngide ban ngam hangka wei banglalong ko wei la ta phai sesenteng la ta phai semaram la ta phai boy secoras terter nya anjat jaga kamu mending kelajat ngelapo yang ni mending kelajat ngelapo yang ni cuma apa yang ni kelajat ngel altar sekali lesa dena duk kenapa aspang kajing kiu jing hiar sunyo trap sajrom hoi ka pruskam no kajing syakam be kadai tangga kana jat parsi lakoma ong sakrem lamet sakrem matang kadai ka khana safar Japang lese ka jing long rep cloud jing long pen khen hukum jong khon man riu yok le hado ba lese ka don ngai chung ong ba wat blade le wat ka sing tam chuan pe ka phet kram na met kram na tang kum no ong mangi ka juk mata le rai ba pe man ta ba le ya ta ka te khandat abang ong bangam pediang ya ka kentian hiu tra namar ba la da people na history khasi senteng jong iba home walang do kat kum ka khana pateng kaman kedai kisah teng kedai nak juk aja mereka ndai tang namar ba hakapor bakiwan mi nalum mangkasang jelek segitai khabar ma ndai kumno kat mingtu temen ka san ka kenya ka krem nyuki kamkop kiwan fabiang kiwan hakini kilo bat habaki koi hal sentang isem baga jaka kalong ka basiso ka baitenan bat namar ka jing thai jing luat ka ya ke yang dikat tu kan ne ki chong teng no mat ki ong ye kita ki wai ka kan hon na ya ki kman ngin nang chong teng na mangi sabut nan dia handai habaki la poi hado lom sopat benang man bhai snong sekini kilo mjungi habaki mwan ki khot no ki sa teng bat empat judon cengtia hakata kapua bat naka kentin sateng se kawan ka kentin sentang bat ya katam deng ma keren manga pila pan plane na ka kot I doktor hami walang do ki CM khasi sentang haki CM khasi sentang ito syai kata bat ad fikran pen syai shu baki pensyongdor naki putri baponam sustam gisingi bari muhnyotre sustam ong syai ni tin naddo bami haddo basam ngedai ki khon muhnyotre naddo bami haddo basam kamu sisni perhe handai habuk keren sepang jai meliu kasi ong naddo rilang haddo kopi kata kade kari joy dai ban syai nangai phit tu bol lem na ladanga ba para okasi udeng nang klaya rai ambara onong klaya ude kasi taru pani ba para okasi udeng nyo pra handai ambara nyo pra ude kasi
Khasi Students Union Narpo Circle mentakasngi kaladawa baka sorkar jilla kadeban bu no yakawai kasin na di block hanarpo kabadon hapo Lumshnong East Janta Hills District na kabenta kajing baha jengki paipa kini kajing dawa kalami hadin bo menteri rangba baminchwa Dr Mukul Sangma ulapin kenriano eka clear riat sin di block Shawapung
Tonisyo ban tipspi kumke lot hai kabor be chong pamta ni rang sumi ta kamera chong ba amre toling beri menteri juga sinar di blok pertama bisa ga jitu bukan sanjungi ban induk bari Pak Amret tolong bila semik ke mengandam kes depan ke jungi ban penyo ke community and rural development block ke buat thai narpo kalau senang tiken mau hisa nageleng jongga sorkar ke por perang nong chief minister jong Dr Mukul Sangma ke kila ship ya ka sinar di blok mungkin nak leriam setelah lumsnong ke kalau ke ba long tur kampung bade tentang yu usok ba ke kerat sinar di blok la kendria syopung ban yu ban kandu trik jong brand opera jong sedang berdebat acara poi ba amle doling ba di siam brand bu manongrim ya ke sinar di blok ban kerat angti hapung bala sanction bisaru like lor ban snai ke office barang kamu teh te hakte gajinya gaji pli yang mau nongrim teh hapung ikan mau lambak tai kubor bau siam mudah-mudahan jengi kontrak sama wong bagi don di blok berasa saya katukan beli ke sorkar ke dasong misal punya bahkan bu di blok hagi jaga berangkam hagi tan di bala income sya ban bu te sokman ban itu minta ba gaji itu kenduk jengi bagi Pak Amlat paling ibadai menteri beri pajak kena kenap sinar di blok ilong ni ba mentah insimnya kena ka memendam ban limi ban kedua ban something bat sem jongi ban kran ya kena ka cingdawa ka cikarpat ka jongi
Kinong Hikai School ad hoc ki balong ru kinong elam jong ka Federation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya kila ong bakin penlong ye kijing ki jongki hakmat secretariat Shillong nakadaw jong jing sngap menti jong ka sarkar ye kijing dawa jongki Upresiden jong kani keseng ba Kenneth Shadap ulai thu ba kani kijing ki kan long nadu ka khat nyau terik hadu ka arpoi terik mentau benai
Now there is a COVID protocol, so we don't want to violate the protocol. That is why only us leaders from each category we sit together today and we have discussed properly regarding the adamant attitude of the state government to invite us officially with official recording. So till today we have not yet been invited. That is why we have decided to start our agitation from 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Only 4 of us we will demonstrate opposite Secretariat every day from 11 a.m. up to 4 p.m. Our main intention of this agitation is that we want that the government will invite us at least 10-15 minutes to invite us leaders so we can have a proper dialogue with the government. But if the government refuse, then after 21 also we will sit together and decide what are the next steps to be taken. So I am speaking here on behalf of all the categories of ad hoc lower primary, upper primary, secondary and higher secondary ad hoc in the whole state of Meghalaya. We are here leaders of all the categories of Federation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya Health.
Bat dakitu ki khubor ngila poisha kabakut tat hadu penginde syambiang khoble shibon